Alright, so in this video, we're going to talk about the extruded cut feature here. So in order to use the extruded cut, we need to have a body to cut into, and extruded cut has plenty of applications. Pretty much anytime you want to remove material, you'll be using the extruded cut. But to begin with, you need to have a solid body. So let's just make a square here. Okay, so you could make a square, and then we're going to extrude boss this. And this is our feature of a body. And then to make extrude cut, typically you'll need to have some sketch. So we're gonna make a quick and dirty sketch here of our ghetto Tesla logo. So we could go here in features and extrude cut, and we cut through. So this is our ghetto Tesla logo that we sketched up really quick. Okay, so notice here in the extrude cut, there's different settings you could have. You have the blind, which you could specify a specific distance. So let's say we have 1 inch, then you will have a 1 inch cut. If you go back here, you could see there's different options. You could have like a through all, then it'll go all the way through your surface like we had before. And if your blind is past your thickness of your part, it's gonna act as a through all. So that's what happened earlier. You can also do like up to a surface. Let's say you created a plane here. I could select these two surfaces and then create a reference geometry of a plane. So here we have a plane, and then we're gonna drag this plane so it's before the extrude cut, so we can actually use it. But here you could say like up to surface, and then you could click your plane 8. Then you could see that it'll cut up to that plane. Then you could if you could adjust the location of this plane. So maybe here instead of a midplane, we just want it to be offset. So you could offset it to, we're gonna offset a different direction here. Flip offset. So you could specify where the offset is, and then the cut will go up to that. Okay. So you could come back in here, and you could also edit where you want to have your you could edit the sketch here. You could edit the sketch plane. Maybe you wanted to sketch on this plane instead, then that will happen. But sometimes if your direction is wrong, you might get an error, so you need to update the direction, for instance. So now it's working. Okay. So there's a lot of different things you could do with that. But pretty much extrude cut will just allow you to cut anything you want. And yeah, so we'll go through more examples later on, but this should get you started with the extrude cut feature. And if you found this video helpful, give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.